Hello everyone, welcome to the video presentation. I am Vinay and today we are going to look at the project that I have created for Atlic Hardware. This project is a part of Resume Project Challenge which is conducted by Code Basics. So, as a part of this challenge, we have been given a real life business statement which we will solve in this project. So, let's look at the problem statement. Atlic Hardware is one of the leading computer hardware producers in India and is growing well in other countries. Management team noticed that they need insights to make quick and smart decisions. Tony Sharma, who is the analytics director, wanted to hire someone who is good at technical skills and communication skills. So he decided to conduct an SQL challenge to select a suitable candidate. So as a part of this, we have been given few data sets. These are the data sets that we have been given. And now we will look at the customer overview now. So we understand from the customer overview that Atlic Hardware has 74 customers and operates in 209 countries. The channels through which Atlic Hardware is working is through direct retail and distributor, and the presence of Atlic Hardware is online and offline as well. Product details. So, if you look at the products, there are 73 products, 26 variants. The categories in which these products are divided as 14 and 6 segments and 3 divisions. We have been given data for fiscal year 2020 and 2021. The fiscal year of Atlic Hardware starts from September and ends in the August. As a part of this challenge, we have been given 10 ad hoc requests through which we will give insights to the business. So, the first request is provide the list of markets in which customer Atlic exclusive operates its business in APAC region. The customer Atlic exclusive operates its business in 8 countries in APAC region. Atlic exclusive appears to be performing well and steadily expanding its presence across the APAC region. Request number 2. What is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2020? This is output that we got from the SQL query. From this output that we got, we get the insights that in fiscal year 2021, there was an increase of 89 unique products compared to fiscal year 2020, reflecting a growth of 36.33%. This is a substantial rise in product variety. This suggests a year-over-year improvement, potentially driven by effective expansion effort or rising customer demand. Request number 3. Provide a report with all the unique product counts for each segment and sort them in descending order of product count. Here, we have ignored the variant that is provided in the product dimension table of product. So we see that accessories and peripheral have the highest unique product count, that is 20 each. They can be further divided into variants. Network segment as has least unique products, that is 3. The fourth request is a follow-up question. Which segment has the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2020? The final output contains these columns. So this is the output that we got. By looking at the output, we can say we can get insights that the total number of unique products grew from 51 in fiscal year 2020 to 68 in fiscal year 2021. This is an increase of 17 unique products. Accessories shows the highest growth with additional of 6 products. Peripheral followed with an increase of 5 unique products. All segments experienced an increase in product count, indicating a broader expansion in product offering. Request number 5. Get the output, get the products that have the highest and lowest manufacturing cost. So this is the output that we received by querying in SQL. We notice that the highest manufacturing cost is associated with PC division. The product name is AQ Home Alin 1 Gen 2. The, manuf- the manufacturing cost is 240 rupees or dollars. The lowest cost is associated with a mouse which is in P and peripheral and accessories division. I have a suggestion as an insight. Check how much profit you are making on both costly and low price products. Make sure expensive items aren't sold too cheap and basic products are still giving good profits. Request number 6. Generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for fiscal year 2021 and in the Indian market. So this is the output that we received after querying for this question. The insights that we get is Flipkart received the highest average pre-invoice discount at 30.83%, suggesting they have strong negotiation leverage or high purchase volumes. Amazon, although a huge player, received the lowest discount among the top 5 with an average of 29.33, still competitive but slightly lower than its peers. Request number 7. Get the complete report of the gross sales amount for the customer at league exclusive for each month. This analysis helped to get an idea of how low and high performing months and take strategic decisions. So this is the output that we receive after querying in SQL. The insights that we get from this output is that the sales increased sharply in 2021 compared to 2020. So we can see this is the line chart for 2020, and this is the line chart from 2021. We can see there is a ra- clear and significant increase in the gross sales compared to 2020. The sales increased sharply in 2021. Gross sales significantly increased in 2021 compared to 2020, showing strong year-over-year growth. November 2021 records the highest sales at 20.46 million, followed by October and October and December. Sales in March 2020 were the lowest, likely impacted by COVID 19 lockdowns. Monthly sales in 2021 remain consistent above 7 million, indicating stable performance. The overall trend reflects improved market strategies, better demand, or recovery post pandemic. High performing months like November, December, January, March, and May can be leveraged for future promotional plannings. Request number 6. In which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity? So this is the output. We can see that quarter 1 of 2020 the company sold maximum units up, that is up to 7 million units. Quarter 3 sold the least amount of units. This is a bar chart indicating the same thing. Request number 9. Which channel helped to bring more gross sales in fiscal year 2021 and the percentage of contribution? So we can see from the output and this diagram that retailer channel is the top contributor is a top contributor, generating to a 1 to 19.08 million in gross sales, which is 73% of total sales. The business relies heavily on retail partnership for revenue generation. Channels ranked 1 Channels ranked 1 to 3 shows a clear gap highlighting scope to boost direct and distributor sales. Request number 10. Get the top get the top 3 products in each division that have high total sold quantity in fiscal year 2021. So this as a part of this output we have, you can see these are top 3 ranks for each division in NNS, P&A and PC. These are 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 as top 3 products. So what insights do we get from this is that in NNS division has the highest selling products overall, with all top 3 product crossing 670,000 units each. The AQ pen drive series dominates the N and S division, indicating strong demand for storage devices. P and A division shows healthy competition with all 3 products four having over 419,000 units sold. PC division has significantly lower total sold quantities with top products around 17k units, suggesting lower demand or niche product. The sales gap between divisions is large, highlighting N and S are networking and storage as the leading division in product sales for fiscal year 2021. So at last, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and also thank I also am also thankful for Code Basics for arranging these amazing challenge. This is a real life data sets which we have solved. Thank you.